can get a little bit more for it. Okay? You can. I'll be honest with you. They're gonna sit there and go, yeah, I want to ride for the last 2 months of the season and pay an extra $300. No, they're gonna dick you around and they're gonna say, I'm not paying that. Why are we making that noise? I do not like that. One bit. What are you doing with your life? I was hoping that wasn't me, but apparently it is. Oh, and of course, West Side's closed today because it's a Monday. Damn it. We're not running on all cylinders. The spark plug came out. Yeah, that is not fun. It's not a good sound. Hopefully that's an easy fix. It looks pretty simple. Just put the spark plug back in and make sure it doesn't come out again. It looks like it stripped a thread or something. But and it's only the one. That's not a fun sound. It would be fun if it wasn't doing that because there was a spark plug out, but I mean, it's not a fun sound. It's a scary sound. I'm like, hey, I need to get home. My finger's still a little numb. If I don't get the green light, I'm gonna go. I think I should get the green light though, because technically they got it last. I just want to go home with this. Like, that is all I am worried about right now. And if a cop pulls me over, I'll be like, hey dude, I'm literally trying to get out of the road because my spark plug fell out on the way home from work. You know? One of the first rides of the season and this happens. Damn it. God, it sounds like a damn dirt bike. Come on. We're all waiting.